Looking for a spin.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You see the full circle?
Yep.
Very good.
Oh. It's like a track on the ground.
They jump the tree.
I was gonna say you gotta dive the trees, man.
I can't even see anymore. Oh, there it is. Y'all want to see it? Yes. Oh, okay. Be careful. Oh, it's right there. If it does flips, it looks cool because you can see the sky. It's like a movie theater. Yeah. That's beautiful. That's a lot of houses. Yep.
Yo, dive between the trees, yo. You gotta do it. You gotta dive the trees, man. You can't just. You saw it?
Yep. He just went through the trees. There's a plane. He's in the spot. There's a plane right there. Can you reach the plane?
Look, it's a bird going after you.
That was fast.
He must have realized, oh, that's something I can't really mess with, and flew away. Yeah, when he heard the sound, he was like, oh, that's too much. Oh, he going after it again. He going after you in the trees, yo.
Wait, I don't... That's it. No, hay una cámara. No, deja... Wait. Oh, you see that?
Oh, somebody dog running over here, yo. Take your quad over there so the dog can stay over there, yo.
That's not a pit, though. It don't look like a pit.
Yo, Ryan, look at
Yeah, that's a pit. I can tell. That's a brown pit.
Wait.
I like when they're chasing it, when you go around and...
No, that's not a pit. That's something else.
That's not a pit.
Oh my God.
He like, we good. We ain't good.
You say you got teeth,
They got teeth too, G.
Excuse me. You make these? Yeah.
You can buy them too, though.
Where?
Online.
Like?
That channel that I put it, that I subscribed you to, you can look at some. Look underneath the in the description of the videos, and you can always see links where you can buy whatever you're looking at.
That dog yours?
The dog is going after it.
I have a question. Is that dog one of yours?
Huh?
Is that dog one of yours?
The dog?
Yeah.
No, the dog. That's the dude dog over there. He like quads, I guess.
That's far.
Come on, take him back, man, before he come over here and bite somebody.
Oh my God, he's coming. Oh my God. El pet. Oh.
He gonna be tired.
Is that a mad dog? Give me.
That's what Jamal just said.
It's right there.
Yeah, take him back over there before he bites somebody, G. Oh man. Take your newfound friend over there.
Hey, they don't want to hold us. No, you know what? Because when I was doing the same thing, they want you to do that because that's they don't want
Oh yeah, tire him out.
They can just take it back home now.
Oh, that hurts.
Yeah.
Oh, the dog. How much is one of these?
Right.
How much is one of these?
They range. It depends. I mean, you can pay them for as low as that.
It's a $99. It's a $99 one on here. Well, that's kind of
I
big.
pressed the band button by accident.
Okay, let me see.
It had something there, but it's not there.
It's still recording.
They gotta get the stock.
Yeah.
What
camera? With a camera and everything? Excuse me. With a camera and everything?
Yeah, that's the camera.
Does that dog bite?
Probably. That's why I'm telling him keep him over there.
He's coming over here. Can you please? Sir? He almost crashed into it. Yeah, sir. Sir,
Come on, man.
Sir, the dog is here. No.
He's driving this. Look, he's driving this.
He's the driver right there.
Okay, hey, le gusta a la gente.
She like, who was driving?
Try to take my drone.
Yeah, she ain't out to bite nobody. She just trying to have fun and pee on stuff.